Boom.
Yeah. This is the Olivia the Piggy Show. Random. Yeah. Totally.
We're listening to Paper Planes.
I want to tell the people of YouTube this, that
Something about sneeze. Okay, I try not to sneeze in public because then I make a funny face for like
She goes like that.
for like 3 seconds. So my mouth is open, and then they'll be like, what the heck? So next time you see somebody making a funny face, remember
Because they're sneezing.
it's because they're about to sneeze. So make
That was
sure.
our vlog.
No, wait, no.
Our vlog.
Make sure they're about to sneeze. Ask them, and then if they say no, like, they're not gonna sneeze, tell them okay, and then that means they're just making a funny face. So next time, do whatever I just said. Bye.
If you catch me at the